What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. I've been on vacation for a bit, but now I'm back. And on today's episode, we're gonna go over the Hoob Mars Black Mini Hookah. So let's get it started. All right, here you have it, folks. The Hoob Mars Black Mini Hookah broken down into lots of pieces, as you can see. Now I know this might look a little bit intimidating, but we're gonna try and manage to put these pieces together in a jiffy. So let's start with the heart. Here's the heart of the hookah. It's pretty heavy, as you can see, and as you can see also they got the logos in there, and it's magnetic whenever you put in the hose in there. So let's put this together. We're gonna start with the down stem. Here's the down stem. As you can see, it has a removable diffuser, so you can remove it if you like. I'm gonna stick this right down this way. Next, we're gonna use the upper stem. We're gonna bring this down, and we're gonna screw this into the heart. There you have it. Everything is fitted in. Now we're gonna use the, well, what should we call this? The upper stem sleeve. We're gonna put this right down there. Next, we're gonna use the ashtray. Look at that nice logo on the ashtray. Beautiful design on this. We're gonna put this on the top here. And then put this here. And let's put this here in the middle. There you have it, folks. Look at that beauty. All right, now grommet goes on top, of course. We got this part done, and just to let you guys know, this is all stainless steel, iodinized aluminum, and stainless steel. So let's go with the base. This base, as you can see, the glass is very heavy, sturdy, and this goes right into the base, like so. All right, next we're gonna put the hose together. Put this to the side. The hose, of course, soft touch silicone, also has the logo on it. We're gonna start with this end right here. Use the spring. And on the other end, we're gonna go ahead and put the hose handle in there. So, grab the hookah, put it here. Look at this. Magnetic. Voila. There you have it, folks. So, we put everything together. This baby looks beautiful, and I think it's time for us to go ahead and try her out. The hookah's ready. As you can see, we got the bowl going. I forgot to mention, but it comes with this amazing light. Now, if you want to make it nice and romantic, you can change it up, change the colors, do whatever you want, just to let you know. But anyways, comes with this light. Today's flavor, sherbet before midnight. So make sure you smoke this before midnight only. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. Nice, so smooth. Oh my God. Oh, you want to give it a try? Come. We got a little guest here, so she's gonna go ahead and try it out. Go ahead.
Pleasure.
All right. Gotta come closer because the mic is over there, so I can't hear you. What do you think?
Ooh, I like the fact that it has a nice pull. Look at the clouds on this, very strong. What's the sherbet?
Yeah.
Wow.
The sherbet, so it's like a desserty flavor. I tried it before, but always got to make sure to smoke it before midnight then. What do you think?
Get it going, huh? Wow, I like it.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. I like the color, the way the model looks. Wow, I think Sherbet is a very nice brand too. Very good flavor.
It's a perfect flavor for around this time. So
I like the fact that you can bring the party up.
Definitely that light.
I like that.
And it fits nice and easily underneath there. You see, like a lot of hookahs, you're unable to put it in the light. This one, you know, they went ahead and changed it up so you can put the light right in the bottom, give it a little modern look. Anyways, let me continue my show. Get the hell out of my show. There you go. There you have it, folks. Clarabelle for you. Anyways, guys, so right here, this is a Russian hookah. So if you look, it has like the old traditional little curves to it, but yet with a modern design built in. And this is what I like. It's perfect for a hookah lounge in case, you know, like any of you hookah lounges care to have one of these hookahs. This Hoob Mars Black Mini is a perfect hookah for a hookah lounge. And of course, like I said, very nice and open draw. Clouds are there. It's amazing. I love it. And as I mentioned before, on the bottom, the diffuser, you can take it off or you can leave it on however you want. Very simple and very modern. Alright guys, before we go, we also have a nice little surprise for you. So Hoob actually sent us this little bag and we're gonna go and do a little giveaway. Now, just make sure you're subscribed to our DMZ TV and also follow us on Instagram because we will be letting you know how to win this bag on Instagram. So to follow us on Instagram, it's Dutch Masters TV, at Dutch Masters TV. So you can win this amazing, cool little bag from Hoob. Well, there you have it, folks. If you guys enjoyed this quick video or introduction of the Hoob Mars Black Mini Hookah, we definitely recommend this hookah. We had nothing but good times with it. Took it to the pool, outdoors, smoked it with friends. Amazing hookah. So big shout out to Hoob Hookahs for sending us this hookah. Also, check them out. They have a new line of amazing hookahs out there. Modern type, all types of hookahs, and you're gonna love it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit that little bell on the top so you'll be notified for any new videos coming out in the future. My name is Dutch, it's DMZ TV. Until the next time, we are out.